let me share my screen.
Yeah, I'm recording the screen right now.
Okay. Okay. So this is the new sheet that I came up with. Um, okay. So there are actually three parts to this sheet. I will just like tell you how to do all of it first. Okay. And like then we'll distribute the job scopes later, like who is going to update for what.
Okay.
Okay. Or do you think like one person should do it all? Would it be easier?
Because these days I started doing the all for returns and refunds, so I all have the data for it.
Okay. So maybe okay, maybe then the refunds I'll let you handle it. Then
Yeah.
sales report I'll let
Yeah.
head of handle it.
Yes.
Okay, so let me start with the sales report.
Mhm.
Okay. What is this? Okay, yeah. So sales report, right? Okay. What I'll need you guys to do is pull out weekly sales reports. So the weekly sales report will start from Monday to Sunday.
Okay.
Okay. So for example, for today it will be for this week it will be from sorry, give me a minute. For this week, it should be from Monday to the 16th. Okay, so we don't have the 16th, so it's just currently 2 days. Okay. So what I will need you to do for the sales report is pull out the figure from here. Take the figure less discounts and return. So net sales. Okay. Copy this figure.
Okay.
Okay, so the date will be it should be 10 to the 17th, right? Okay. Items. Okay. Input the sales. Items sold. So this is the amount. Okay, then here. Um, for this you can just drag down. There is a formula there. So the formula will calculate everything out. Okay, basically this is the estimated fulfillment cost. I take the number of items times $2.25.
Okay.
It's just like an average gauge. Uh, oh, I didn't. There is no. Okay, so you have to input this yourself. Go to the business at Facebook. Change up the change it to a custom date. Same thing, 10 to the 11. Okay. So this amount, right? Copy, paste it here, and drag down the last column. Okay. Right.
Okay.
Okay. So like this is where you get all the information. So I normally do this every Monday. Like I'll do this probably first thing in the morning on Mondays. Yeah. So okay. So this is one. This one will be done every Monday. Okay, let me check.
Okay.
Sales report to be every Monday. Okay, so this is one. The weekly refund report. Okay, like I'm thinking of how to do this because like I want one individual refund, something like this. Okay, and I want one like weekly refund. But like the issue here is that when you do a report, it doesn't reflect the refund that you refund. Okay, like today we did like $700-800 worth of refund, right? It doesn't reflect here. It reflects on the week that it was refunded. So for example, if the sales was made on 15th of February and it was refunded now, it will be reflected on the sales of 15th of February. Yeah. So okay, this part is a little bit more confusing. What you can do is um okay, so for example, now you have like all these refunds over here, right?
Yeah, sample. But this is the mistake, right? Because
Yeah.
what I have on the other sheets is like individual refunds.
Individual refunds. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So the alternative would be okay. Like over here, I said take the amount from the previous sheet, right? So what will happen is okay. For example, from the 10 to the 16. Okay, let's change this to like let's say this is 10 to the 16th of February.
Okay.
Okay. So you take a look at 10 to 16 of February. Do we have any returns? Okay, no returns. So let's say if it's like the 18 to the 26. Okay, so these are the refunds from the 18 to the 26. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them. These 9 are all the mistakes made by Jason, right? But what I need you to do is, okay, for example, there's one more here that the size is wrong.
Okay.
Okay, or smaller size, but that is not a mistake on Jason's end. Like it is just the customer unhappy with it. Okay, so over here you can key in like wrong, but like yeah, you can just put in wrong size. And okay, I'll take away this column. So we'll just have this list for all these mistakes by Jason are all refunded, right? There was no
No, because some of those you have already corrected. So not all of it are refunded.
Okay, let's make this easier. Because like if not it'll be very hard to track, right? Okay, let's make this easier. Like this sheet will be for refunds and exchanges. Individual refund
Okay.
/ exchange. Okay, so I'll keep this column. So for example, if this one like wrong size, but like it was exchanged,
Okay.
please key in exchange. Like if it's refund, please key in refund. Okay, something like that. Okay, then to make it easier for this like this one. Okay, what we'll do is we will just record as per normal. Okay, so I think starting from, I'm thinking whether to backdate it or not. Okay, don't backdate it. So what will happen is you most probably wouldn't be able to see much number of refunds over here, because like the refund will only come back probably like maybe 1 month later, when they receive the item, then they test it or they tried it, and it doesn't work. So what will happen with this amount is that you just pull out a report, take whatever amount you say. Okay, so for example, now the return amount is 33.99. So that's one item, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so just key in one here. Refund amount 33.99. Total number of orders made, so 251, something like this. Okay, but in the future, let's say if you go on, right, and suddenly over here there is a April 11 April 17, and there's a refund, right? Then what you have to do is you have to go back and change the amount. So over here, change it to 2, and maybe this one becomes like $66.45.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So like this one will be updated. This one wouldn't be accurate. It will only be updated like you only know like 1 month later, 1 month later. So like, I mean, it would be best if you can do like back 1 month, maybe for the month of
March.
March. Is it possible?
Because I started recording
In about February, right?
Yeah, about March. Yeah, yeah.
About March?
Yeah.
Okay.
Feb, I did not have any record yet because that was doing the returns and refunds.
Okay. Can we do it from but what about all this? Like, you started in February, but the orders came like there were returns from March, from
Yeah.
from
There
February, right? Because I want to know like what is our return rate. Okay, no worries. Just start from March. Like,
Okay.
just start from like what you have, and I'll take a look at it later. I think for March, maybe you can just go into report and like pull out. Okay,
Yeah, because we're also doing refunds for those discounts.
yeah, but like you see the problem now with discounts. Do you still get that very often? Like, is it a lot?
Yeah, like for every week, like there's 10, I guess. Yeah.
Okay, these are what codes? Like, is it the sticky 10 code or what codes are they?
Mostly the 10%.
Mostly the sticky pen.
Yeah.
Mm, okay, no problem. I will do a automation of the what is that called I can't do that so. Okay, no worries. We just like that one. I'll come back to you because actually I can use an app to automatically give them the discount code as long as they land on a certain page.
Okay.
But the reason of giving them the sticky pen is for them to sign up for the email.
Mhm.
But if I do the automation, they might not sign up for the email and still get the discount code. So like,
But they forgot.
sorry.
They always forgot. Like mostly they would email us saying, "Yeah, I forgot to add in this discount. Can you add it for me?" That's usually the issue.
Okay, no problem. I'll talk to like the team and get back to you on this.
Okay.
Um, yeah. Okay. So back to the report, right? So,
Okay.
yeah, this one just go backwards. So just
Mhm.
do a weekly report. I think the
Mhm.
and after every month, please put in like a gray line,
Mhm.
like something like
Just to
this, so
separate.
we know the month is over. Yeah, just
Okay.
to spread it.
All right.
Okay, same for this. Like I have already keyed in here.
Mhm.
So yeah, so yeah, I think that's about it.
So I'll just show this video to Adele.
Yeah, you can show this video to her. I
Okay.
think let her
Weekly.
handle the since you're already doing the refunds, right?
Uh-huh.
So let her handle the weekly report, and you do the
Okay.
refunds.
Okay.
Um, yeah, I think that's all.
All right then.
Okay, thank you
Mhm.
very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.